The Clarke CW2D bench-mounted parts washer offers a simple way to clean component parts covered in oil, grease and dirt. Shown here with the optional CPW-B1 parts washer brush and hose, the internal pump continuously circulates cleaning fluid, delivering it through the flexi-firm nozzle to just where it's needed. This compact mains-operated bench-mounted washer also has a fusible link in the lid stay to automatically close the lid in the unlikely event of a fire. For safety reasons, the CW2D should only be filled with a non-flammable degreaser or many common cleaning agents, such as Clarke Parts Washer fluid, available from your local Clarke stockist. It's very simple to use, and once washed, an item may be left to drain on the parts tray until dry. The CW2D has a capacity of 10 litres and a flow rate of 90 litres per hour. The CW2D bench-mounted washer is an essential product for any auto repair garage or engineering workshop.